How to look beautiful, tips to look pretty even on bad days. Hey welcome back to my channel. This video collaboration with RIGHTFUL. You don't need to spend a lot of time and effort to look naturally beautiful. Just take the time to groom yourself so you look and feel fresh and clean. Then, style and present yourself in a way that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Incorporating healthy habits into your routine can also help achieve natural beauty. You'll be looking and feeling great in no time. This video have 3 parts: grooming, styling yourself, developing healthy habits, creating a grooming routine. Shower or bathe frequently. Dirty, greasy hair and stinky, sweaty skin won't help you look or feel naturally beautiful. Make sure you shower or bathe on a regular basis, such as every day or every other day. You don't have to wash your hair every single day. You can simply rinse it and skip the shampoo every other time you shower to help preserve your hair's natural oils. Don't forget to apply deodorant after showering. Cleanse your face daily. It's important to wash your face every day to remove dirt and oil, even if you don't take a shower. Remember to choose a cleanser formulated for your skin type. If you have oily skin, choose an oil-free face wash. For acne-prone skin, look for a product with salicylic acid. If you have dry skin, use a cream cleanser to add some moisture. For combination skin, try a gel cleanser. Moisturize your skin. Applying moisturizer after your shower will help keep your skin supple, soft, and glowing. Brush and floss your teeth every day. A bright, white smile is sure to help you look beautiful. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss once per day. Doing so will keep your teeth and gums healthy. Aim to brush for 2 minutes each time. You can also use mouthwash to kill germs and freshen your breath. Exfoliate and moisturize your hands and feet. Ragged cuticles or rough, flaky heels can be easily fixed to help you look and feel more naturally beautiful. One option is to get regular manicures and pedicures in a salon. If you'd rather take care of your nails at home, trim and file them regularly to keep them short and smooth. Exfoliate your hands and feet to remove dead, dry skin, then apply a moisturizer after drying them off. Apply sunscreen before going outside. The best thing you can do for your skin is to protect it from the sun. Use lip balm to keep your lips soft and smooth. Dry, cracked lips are painful and unsightly. Keep your lips soft and smooth with the regular use of lip balm. Styling yourself. Wear clean clothes that fit well. A comfortable, put-together outfit will help you feel more confident than a rumpled, stinky sweatsuit. Choose simple accessories. If you're going for a natural look, don't overdo it with tons of flashy jewelry or blinged-out accessories. Stick to simple accessories and limit it to just a few items. Find a hairstyle that suits you. Visit a reputable hairstylist and ask them what kind of styles they would suggest for your face shape and hair type. Work together to choose a style that matches your preferred level of effort to style. Apply natural-looking makeup if desired. If you choose to wear makeup, it should be understated and subtly highlight your features. Developing healthy habits. Eat a healthy, balanced. Drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water each day. Drinking plenty of water allows your body to flush out toxins. It will also help you achieve healthy hair and skin with a radiant glow. Exercise at least 3 times per week. Regular exercise helps you sweat out toxins, clears your pores, and improves blood circulation, all of which will give you a healthy glow. Try to exercise for 30-60 minutes at least 3 times a week. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night. A full night's rest will keep your skin looking great and can actually help prevent wrinkles. If you want to look naturally beautiful, be sure to get 7-8 hours of sleep each night. It's not called beauty rest. Smile and project confidence. A smile is a beautiful thing. Smiling at people attracts them to you and also helps you feel happier. Even if you don't feel confident, you can still act like you do. Use good posture. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Magic Peach and RIGHTFUL.